Is your Toyota RAV4's alarm randomly going off? It's a common issue, especially in 2006-2023 models. The main culprits are often a faulty hood latch switch, overly sensitive interior motion sensors, or key fob glitches. The hood switch is a magnetic latch that can corrode or misalign, causing false alarms. Replacement parts cost $20–50 and are easily installable with just a screwdriver. Interior motion sensors can be overly sensitive and cause false alarms. A simple reset can be triggered by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear error codes. Key fob issues may require a reset or battery replacement to resolve glitches and ensure proper arming and disarming of the alarm. Most RAV4 alarm issues are easily fixed with these quick, affordable solutions. First, check your hood switch for corrosion or misalignment. Clean or replace as needed. Next, try resetting your interior sensors by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. For key fob problems, Toyota recommends a reset sequence using the door lock unlock cycle, or you may need a new battery. Software updates via the Toyota Entune app can fix sensor issues for newer 2022 to 2025 models. If problems persist, a mechanic can diagnose using an OBD2 scanner checking for fault codes like B1000, but simple resets usually solve the problem. Ignoring persistent issues can lead to system failures, so check them promptly.